thinking about moving to Dallas, Texas, or you already live in Dallas and you love the outdoor life, in particular the lake life, well, we're gonna take you inside this $1.5 million lake house. It's gonna absolutely blow you away. The views are amazing. Let's go check it out. So here we are on Cedar Creek Lake. Now, what I absolutely love about this area is we're only about an hour outside of Dallas. And what that allows you to do is just get away from all of the hustle and bustle of the big city. And you're not too far either. You can see right behind me the boat dock and how we have the cover over the boat that keeps all the bugs and everything out of it. But this is what I love about this area too. You can see you've got the inlet on this side so you can have your boat dock and even an office right above there. So we know that, hey, when we get out here, we try to get away from the work a little bit, but sometimes things come up. But this area, absolutely beautiful. You have some of the best sunsets and some of the best sunrises, and we'll actually show you that. But this home right here, valued at $1.5 million, is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath. It's just over 3,000 square feet. You're gonna absolutely love it. Let's go check it out. So here we are in the main entryway of the lake house. You can see as soon as you walk in, you're right in the kitchen. You've got a nice island with your stovetop. You've got stainless steel fridge and this beautiful countertop with plenty of storage. And what I absolutely love the most, of course, you got an open line of sight to the lake right behind us. It's absolutely beautiful. You have your coffee station over here with a little mini wine fridge, which of course, you love to dive into that in the evening hours here. You've got seating underneath the countertop right here as well. And we've got additional storage here for the fridge. We've got a counter entry fridge with an additional sink as well. This makes it very easy when you're entertaining here, having dinner at the dining table. It makes it very simple to access some drinks, wash some dishes or put them away. And of course, you got the bar in the corner with laundry right there. So very convenient. We've got the first bedroom off to the side here. Let's check this one out. Here we are in the first bedroom. You can see, of course, you've got open windows, so you have a great view of the lake, and that's what I love about this lake house is pretty much every bedroom has water views as well. So that makes it absolutely amazing to wake up in the morning to that. And they have ensuite bathrooms as well. So you can see as you come through here, you've got storage on both sides as well as your bathroom right behind you. Beautiful tile floor here. You've got underlining under the counters here. And of course, nice large walk-in shower. Let's go check out another one. And of course, although we would want to normally save this for last, but we just can't get by it. But this living room, absolutely amazing with the huge vaulted ceilings in here with the beam running all across down the middle. You've got a fireplace with the TV above there, open seating here as well, so you can enjoy this amazing lake view. You're going to have the best sunrises right off of this back deck. And it's just amazing to sit out there, have a glass of wine, have a drink, have the fire pit going, got the TV. We're gonna save the best for last. We'll get to that here in a minute. Let's go check out a bedroom now. All right, let's go check out one of the other bedrooms here. You can see right off to the side, you have your bathroom for the 2 bedrooms coming into here. Now, again, you have another water view bedroom right here. Again, you're going to catch amazing sunrises in this bedroom. You got a little mini TV right there as well in case you don't feel like getting out of bed right away. And of course, the bathroom again, but then you have this bedroom as well. Now, this has water views to that inlet where the boat dock is, and you'll catch the sunsets out of this bedroom and a much larger TV in here. So now this is the unique part of the home. You can see right here, they've got the pocket door where you can actually close this off. there's a separate entrance right here, allowing this home to now be 2 different units. So this is great for Airbnb. And I tell you what, this home on Airbnb Plus will absolutely be able to pay for the mortgage on this. So you could have the lake house for free if you wanted. And you can see here, you've got separate living area in here as well. Again, because you've got a separate entrance, you've got another living room here, beautiful views of the water as well. You have a little kitchenette right here. So you got the fridge, you have the sink, coffee maker, everything you need. And now this is going to lead us into the master bedroom. But we have the bunk room right here off to the side first. So this is a great option for the kids to have them off to the side there. And you've got another bathroom right here that they can easily access, so that keeps them out of the master bedroom. But I tell you what, you have to check out this master bedroom. It's absolutely beautiful. You've got, again, large vaulted ceilings in here, really opens up this master, clearly much larger than the other bedrooms. But again, you have that water view. You're gonna have amazing sunsets in here as well, coming right through the windows, views of the inlet and this master bathroom. It's beautiful. You've got the barn doors here for the privacy. You've got a beautiful walk-in shower, nice tile work, amazing granite in there as well, double vanity. It's beautiful. But let's go check out the deck, because that's what this home is all about. Now this is what lake life is all about here, just outside of the Dallas area. Now look, right here you've got your built-in kitchen and you've got your grill. So great area to sit here. You got a TV right above there, so that way you don't miss any minute of the game or the fight, whatever it is you're watching that evening. So you can barbecue right here. It's amazing. And then you're gonna come over here. You've got seating, you've got the fire pit right down there as well, but look how open this entire space is. So you can come out here, enjoy a cup of coffee, enjoy the beautiful sunrises right here. Again, we've got a much larger TV up there again, and we have the heaters built in just above. So on these chillier days, you still want to come out here and enjoy it. It's not too bad. Beautiful weather, still great to come out here and get away for the weekend. And this is what we absolutely love. So we know that here in the Dallas area, we don't have very mountainous regions or even hills. We don't have the beach either. So lake life is what it's all about here in the Dallas area. But again, you have several lakes all over Dallas, but when you come out an hour away, you just feel like you get out of the main hustle and bustle of the city. It's nice and quiet. And if you listen, it's all you can hear is the water. It's absolutely amazing. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in any of the properties we feature on this channel, be sure to reach out. All of our information is in the description below. And until next time, we hope to show you around town.